Hello, I will show you how to change the globe. Take the globe out. You hold this part, pull it out a little bit, and there are springs here. You hold those springs before you take it out all the way, and then take it out easily. Same way, the bottom part, pull it out a little bit, hold the springs and out, put it in installing the same way. You have to do it slowly, very gently. If you release it so fast, it will break the top part, those top parts. Hold it, put it in. For taking out, pull out a little bit. See the springs and hold it with 2 fingers and out.